Two important design features in the new hybrid multi-fuel pizza oven are the burner cover and the ash dam. Both of these pieces go in the same location, but they're never used together. The burner cover is used exclusively during wood burning, and remember, always turn off the gas during the wood burning. The ash dam goes in place in the same spot. Simply remove the burner cover, put the ash dam in place. That way, when you're using gas, it will protect the burner from anything getting inside it. One of the benefits of the burner cover is that it increases your cooking surface by about 50 square inches. Before installing, make sure to remove the light film that's on top of it, and then this is food safe and ready to cook. With the ash guard in place for gas operation, remember, you can still get great wood flavor by simply using a smoke box. Put your favorite apple wood or mesquite in the smoke box, slip it inside, and then soon it will begin to roll smoke into whatever you're cooking over gas.